The Lego Group's story begins in 1932 in the small Danish village of Billund. Its founder, Ole Kirk Christiansen, a carpenter by trade, turned his attention and skills towards creating wooden toys due to the economic pressures of the Great Depression. The name Lego emerged in 1934, cleverly derived from the Danish phrase leg godt, meaning play well, inadvertently also meaning I assemble in Latin, a prophetic coincidence that would define the company's future. Lego's evolution from wooden toys to the iconic plastic bricks we know today wasn't immediate. It was in 1949 that Lego made a pivotal shift with the introduction of the automatic binding bricks, a precursor to the modern Lego brick. However, it wasn't until 1958 that the revolutionary design of the interlocking bricks was patented, paving the way for infinite creativity. This design remains virtually unchanged to this day, allowing generations of Lego enthusiasts to combine new sets with old. The 1960s and 1970s saw rapid expansion and innovation. Lego introduced themed sets, opening new realms of imagination, from cities and castles to space exploration. The minifigure, introduced in 1978, added a personal touch, enabling children and adults alike to tell their own stories. The digital age brought Lego video games, animated films, and even a highly successful movie franchise, further solidifying its cultural impact. Throughout its history, Lego has faced challenges, including financial crises and controversies over intellectual property. Yet, it has continually adapted, embracing new technologies and ideas while staying true to its core value of encouraging creativity and learning through play. Today, Lego is more than just a toy. It's a tool for education, a medium for art, and a symbol of the limitless possibilities of the imagination.